Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add Halloween fonts to Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram story. So I'm going to click on your story, and I'm just going to pick random photo from my gallery, for example this one, and then I'm going to go to the tags menu, and then we will get the Halloween fonts right here. But unfortunately guys, the Halloween fonts can only appear when the Halloween time is coming, and since this is not Halloween time, the Halloween fonts doesn't appear right here. But don't worry, because we can still add Halloween fonts to our Instagram story, but we need application to create an Instagram story. I'm going to show you the application we can use to create Instagram story with Halloween fonts. You can download an application called InShot. You can get this application from Play Store or Apple Store. Go to the InShot, and then you can go to the photo editing and choose Instagram story you want to choose image you want to create as Instagram story. And I'm going to create an Instagram story with this image. Okay, and then I'm going to add tags to this image. We can go to the text, and then I'm just going to type in Halloween like this and go to the font. And to get the Halloween font, you can go to the InShot store right here. Okay, here you can scroll down until you find the Halloween fonts. The Halloween fonts are Deadly Bones, and then the Evil Scratch, Demon Slave, and Creepy Notes. And as you can see guys, I have downloaded Creepy Notes. So here I'm going to choose the Demon Slave. Okay, we can select free unlock to get this font, and then we can add the text with this Halloween fonts to our image. Okay, now it's loading. Okay, click on use, and all right, now the Halloween fonts has been added to my image. And then we can click on export, and then I'm going to go back to my Instagram and create Instagram story like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add Halloween fonts to Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.